There's an update available for iPhone 16 Pro, iOS 18.01. And improvements in the camera, front-facing camera, full length of my arm with autofocus. It is quick, fantastically quick. It is really, really good. Well, it was really good. Now it's even better. Yes, it is. Look at the details. Damn. But the manufacturer says nothing about front-facing camera and all about HDR and macro. HDR, high dynamic range. And the macro it is from the wide angle lens. Now that is beautiful. 1x, it's even better. Whoa. 2x, that's just crazy. And oh, check this one go. Whoa, nice. Really nice. And 5x, okay, this will be hard. He's too fast. He is fast. And that was very little, like millimeter. Wow. Wow. Improvement is vast. Let's test that zoom all the way to 15x. You can spy on people if you wanted to. Smooth. Nice. Using the Blackmagic app, not sure if you're able to see it, but sometimes it will, oh, see, it will jump up and down, just like that. Oh, see? There's no additional secret features or add features. Everything works great, besides the Blackmagic camera.